Hi, in this video I will show you how to enable the Always On Display feature on your Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus or S20 Ultra. Always On Display shows the date, time and notifications when your phone is asleep. If you want to enable this feature, swipe down from the top of the screen and go to Settings. Tap Lock Screen. Turn the status switch on. Then tap Always On Display. Here you can choose when to show the Always On Display. I would select Show Always. After you've done that, the date, time, and any notifications will be displayed on the phone when the screen is off. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the like button. I would really appreciate it.